Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, which you probably all are, my name is Brittany and I'm excited to film this video. I just got back from the Shoprite. Shoprite's having a lot of sales right now, so I was able to get a lot of things on my list. I think the only thing I didn't get on my list is shrimp, because they have like frozen shrimp and it's just me eating it. So I think I'm going to go to Whole Foods tomorrow and just pick up some shrimp for one of the recipes I have. But let's get to it.
We've had this conversation and you seem to agree with me, but when there's complication.
Alright, so my receipt is right here. I only spent $105.50 and I saved $49.50 today. My kitchen is such a mess, I need to clean. Alright, so first up we have chicken thigh fillets. I'm going to make a jerk chicken, slow cooker jerk chicken. I got skirt steak because it was on sale. I also got ground chicken for tonight's recipe. I'm going to make a ground General Tso's chicken. These seasonings were on sale, so I got, this wasn't on sale, but I like the ranch dip because I can make a spicy ranch with sour cream because I do not eat mayonnaise. I refuse to eat anything with mayonnaise in it. I hate it. And then these were on sale, so I thought I would just pick them up. Island Wood Fire Grill and Honey Sriracha. I got some green onions for the ground General Tso's chicken. These were on sale, so I thought we could try them. I got some thyme. I got some coleslaw, so I'm going to make my coleslaw, of course, without mayonnaise, and I'm going to make a Memphis barbecue sloppy joe. Memphis barbecue sloppy joe. And then I got some jalapenos, yellow onion, squash. Avocados were on sale for 99 cents. I think it was each, or maybe a pound, probably each. I got some mushrooms, so I'm going to make a mushroom and squash mix with balsamic vinaigrette, and it's really, really good. I got these buns, hamburger buns for the Memphis barbecue sloppy joes. Grapes were on sale for 88 cents a pound, so that's pretty wild. It's pretty good. I love to just have enchilada sauce in the house, so I had to pick some of that up. This was pretty interesting. Green chili pickle, so I'm excited to try this. I have not tried this before. If you have tried these, comment down below on what you think about them. Also, this one, the mango pickle. I heard this was spicy and that it's really good, so I'm going to add these to some of my recipes. I got some water chestnuts. These are for the ground General Tso's chicken. I got some sea salt because I ran out of salt. I got some ground cloves. Of course, sriracha. The chili garlic sauce. I don't know. I love sriracha. These were on sale, so I picked these up. Chocolate ice cream with dark chocolate. Chocolate ice cream with dark chocolate. All right. This was on sale. Hair gel, so I picked some up. These were also, everything was on sale, guys, that I got. Everything was on sale. These were 2 for $6, so I'm going to put these down in the basement. I got milk. Milk wasn't on sale, but most everything was on sale. Almond Breeze. I'm going to use this for my iced coffees. And then these creamers, they did not have the creamer I normally buy, so I was a little upset. So I got the caramel latte. I can make like a Starbucks caramel, caramel macchiato. And then I got peppermint mocha because I really like the peppermint mocha. I do iced. I really don't drink hot coffee. I have sour cream here, which was on sale for $1.77. This cheese was on sale for, I believe, $1.99. I got the Land O'Lakes Yellow American. Probably, I thought about putting it on the Memphis barbecue sloppy joes, but we'll see how that works out. Bordone cheese was on sale for $1.99. So I got 6 cheese Italian. I also got 4 cheese Mexican. I got this minced garlic in this little jar. Sometimes it's easier just to use this stuff than to mince garlic yourself. It's, just easier. This I've never tried, but it was on sale for $1.99, and it's lemon herb seasoned butter. So, yeah, I'm really excited to try this. Melts over veggie rice, you know. So we're going to try that in some recipes. These olives were on sale for 99 cents. And it's just good to have these Greek olives on deck in your cabinet. I like to make pasta salads and Greek salads, so these are really good. Butter was on sale. This is comparable to the, I don't know, I forgot what the name was, but this is the kind of butter I use, bowl and basket. Cheez-Its were on sale for $1.88. So I got reduced fat and I got original. These are going to go in the basement. Cereal was on sale. How much was cereal on sale for? Cereal was on sale. So I got Frosted Mini Wheats. Tyler loves these. And then I also got Rice Krispies because I'm going to make Rice Krispie treats. I have marshmallows in the house. These are also on sale, $1.88. These were also on sale for $1.88. So sometimes it's just easier to buy these types of cookies. And I mean, I make a lot of cookies and I put them in the freezer so that we always do have cookie dough. But sometimes you just don't want to go through the freaking hassle here. So this is everything I got. I had a list with me. Like I said, the only thing I didn't get off the list was shrimp. So I'm probably going to go to Whole Foods tomorrow because they have a counter where you can just get like half a pound of shrimp. You know, I don't need much because I'm the only one that's going to eat it. So yeah, and then I had some other meats already in the fridge for the recipes I'm making this weekend. So tonight is the ground General Tso's chicken, which I'm hoping comes out really good. I do now have to, oh, and I got 2 packs of Diet Dr. Pepper. These were on sale, 2 for $10. This is a wedding invitation we just got, which I should probably book my wedding soon now that everyone was affected by the COVID. And everyone's weddings that we were going to this year got canceled. So now I'm pretty much screwed because my wedding is supposed to be in 2021. And I thought, hey, you know, everyone's is in 2020. Nope. No, ma'am. All right. So that is everything I got. Be sure to leave a comment down below on what you get at Shoprite. I see a lot of these videos, but it's always from stores that I don't have. I live in New Jersey, so I don't have, you know, the Aldi's or the, there's a lot of people that go to these weird freaking stores I've never heard of. So, yeah, this is everything.